Hello my viewers, I bought myself this outdoor wireless socket set. It's a set of 3 pieces with a remote and two 220 volt sockets. A battery for the remote is included and each socket can take up to 3680 watts. The range is up to 40 meters. Let's open it up and test this socket set. Manual, 5 languages, 2 sockets, 3680 watts, European connectors, and a remote, up to 3 sockets, on and off. Let's take it outside, connect it and test it. Here we are outside, and what I wanted to say is that it's not a genius finding or a new product, but it's the price that does it. Costs only 14 euros for a set of 2. So let's connect it. So it's connected. Here is the light that should go on. Here it goes, see, it works fine. Perfect, nice. And the other one, just to make sure that it works. Just to test if they both work.